everywhere I go. My laptop going with me from now on. All right, Aiden, Mopar for life. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear what Aiden said? Mopar for life. All right. Yes, good decision. Jeff Pope in the building. What up, Jeff? How you living? How you doing? All that good stuff. Y'all know the drill. I ain't gonna even repeat it no more, man. Just you know what I'm trying to say. What up, JT? M Ford, 1974. Does your name insinuate you a Ford owner? Cause it's so get out of here. Joke. You can stay. You can stay. I love y'all, man. I love everybody. What up, JT? M Ford. Thanks for hey, do one of these, man. You know how we do, man. It's Thursday, so I try to get a little serious on Sunday, but Thursday, it's I go with the flow, man. Chemistry. What is going on, my friend? How you doing? All that good stuff. I appreciate you jumping on the stream, guys. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. All right. Okay. Jeff Pope, come on, man. This is Scotty Kilmer support team. You need to stop talking. No, man. I told y'all, man. Me and Scotty like this, man. I ain't rolling with y'all no more. I like Scotty, man. I got 2 more of his thumbnails I want to use before I start dogging him out again. So right now, this week, no Scotty Kilmer bashing. This is the no Scotty Kilmer bashing week this week, guys. Let me get these 2. Now, I ain't going to use his point. That's his patent, right? That's, Scotty had his little shades on around glasses and, if you see anybody doing this, just know they biting Scotty, right? JT ain't going out like that. I will, however, steal a thumbnail and make it my own. I don't even call that theft, man, because I told y'all, like I told y'all before, what Scotty, Jeff, I ain't falling for this. No, Jeff, no, man, you on your own, man. Not today. Charles, here's all. What's going on, man? Hey, JT. I could have sworn Mopar came out with a motor called the Indominator. Have you heard? I don't know, dog. I don't know, player. Where you hear that from it? All right. Do we need to? Y'all know Scotty get most of the heads up information before anybody else do, right? So I don't know. I ain't never heard of that, but I would like to know so I can speak on it. Now I refrain. I stopped speaking on things I know nothing about because you can't. Basically, you just be making crap up. I don't want to hear from somebody that don't know what the hell they talking about, basically. So y'all should feel the same way. If I start rambling about something, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. Somebody enlighten me. JT. Oh, dog, you wrong. Just shh. It's okay. You don't know what the hell you're talking about right now. Charles, I don't know, man. Okay, to you. Lacey, what up, Lacey? I killed my dart making a left against traffic years ago because of a broken mount. I forgot to. That's the whole risk of driving around with a boat, one boat holding on. But dear life is holding on. One boat. All right. Let me go. JT, will you guys be fixing Chrysler electric cars once they hit the market? We got no choice, man. Look, it's with everybody. Okay. Now we're starting out with the hybrids and things like that. It's gradually coming, guys. Now this thing will be full blown out. I don't know. Will it be during our lifetime? I mean, I don't know how old you guys are. Any babies in here, teenagers? But for the most part, we older guys. So will it be full blown in our lifetime? But the answer to your question was, you either latch on or get left behind. Okay, now. All right, let's assume, without getting into politics, the government is in control of where we headed as a country, right? So if the government green, and the oil owners and no, gas. Let me pay the politicians so they don't vote for this crap. All right, so it's gonna be a battle until something gives. Eventually, something will give. Something has to give. All right, now the older guys, the billionaire oil guys. Somebody will, with all the power and the money, will eventually die off. And that sounds cruel. Will eventually pass on, all right? But they're indoctrinating their offspring to be the same way. So will it ever? Somebody has got to give sooner or later. And again, I don't want to get into politics. No, it's not. That is too polarizing for online mechanics tips channel. All right, I'm going to and see what happens. I'm sure it has a slow leak. All right, man, you do that, man. No electric Mopars, please. Aiden, ain't your call, player. Ain't even Aiden. You ain't got none of us have no say so in that, man. Why you want to just go Hemi for life? You just want V8 engines for the just gasoline V8 gasoline combustion engine. I mean, we all love that sound, right? Can they make an electric car go? I don't know, man. I don't freaking know, but I heard that's coming down the pipeline, so we shall see. Nobody knows. Aiden, that'd be nice if you had some powers. All right, Tracy, what's going on, man? We don't need electric mopeds. Again, it's not our call, man. Hey, it's coming whether we like it or not. It's our car now because she's no longer sharp enough to drive. Whoa, you done took over the car? Dark man, come on, man. Thanks for the vids on the PT. Tony, you welcome, man. Hey, I ain't did a PT video in a while. Actually, I got 2 I got to edit. Guys, we don't see them no more. I told y'all, man, look, we charge $200 to check a car out, right? Now, I'm not about to belittle PT Cruiser owners, but if a PT come in with a problem and the service advisor having a bad week and he tell the customer, it's 2 hours to even check your car out. 2 hours is at $200 an hour. It's the equivalent of $400 freaking dollars, right? What are the average worked? Let's say an 01 PT Cruiser. All right, they all over the scrapyard, right? Everywhere. I mean, just everywhere. If a customer come in willing to give the company, the car likely gonna go to me, $400 to tell her what's wrong with it. It's gonna either be something that's been discontinued, a part that's discontinued. We can't even get a tip them, or OEM tip them for a PT, a PCM, AC HVAC housing, none of this stuff. So, and sometimes without getting anybody in trouble, some of these people know this, but a lot of the parts are obsolete. So, but we checked it out, so you still get. I mean, man, hey, this is a brutal world we live in, guys. We gotta just, I don't know, man. I ain't about to get myself in trouble trying to. Who did that? Who got me on that PT trap? Evelyn Rodriguez. How you doing, Evelyn? Thanks for jumping on. Thanks for joining. Thanks for giving the video a thumbs up, which I'm almost sure you're gonna do. I appreciate it, Evelyn. Thanks for all that good stuff. I appreciate it. Introducing you.